Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Miūra by Aesop. There are two kupu hou. The first is whakapeto, and it means to expend or use up. You almost always hear it with whakapeto ngoi. I whakapeto au I te ngoi I te whakataetai omanga. I used up my energy at the running competition. Our second kupu is nguha, and it means anger. Kua he au I a koe, nā wai kua puta a nguha. You have wronged me, and now I am angry. Ka rare mai ngā taringa listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Ka hana nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai a hoa mā. Te Miūra, nā Aesop. Tērā tētahi Miūra, I pai te whāngaia ona I kaha hoki tāna mahi, engari I paku tonu. Ka piu ka tā karo haere I ngā pātiti. Ā, ka mea ki aia anō, te kaha hoki o taku tinana me tōku ngākau. Kaore kore, he hoi ho taku matua no ngā kāwai rangatira. Kaore I roa, ka hokona atu ia ki tētahi atu rangatira. Ka mutu, ka kaha te whakapetonga ngoi, engari ka iti te whāngaia. I te pupunga ake o nguha iaia, ka ki ia, te hea hoki o ōku whakaaro I tērā atu rā. E mohio painei au, he kai he noa iho ke tōku matua. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, kei whirina ki anake ki te tātai. The Mule by Aesop. A mule, well fed and worked but little, frisked and gambled about in the fields, and said to himself, "What strength, what spirits are mine? My father must surely have been a thoroughbred horse." He soon after fell into the hands of another master, and was worked hard and but scantily fed. Thoroughly jaded, he now said, "What could I have been thinking about the other day? I feel certain now that my father could only have been an ass." The moral being, depend not on ancestry. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Whakamiere doesn't run ads, nor does it have any partnerships with sponsors. So all of our tautoko comes from our Patreon supporters. Any support we get through Patreon enables us to focus more of our efforts on producing content for the podcast, like today's Paki Poto. So if you're in a position to support us, not only will it help us pay our bills, it will also benefit the rest of our whānau whakamiere and help us get even more content out. Even better, if you're a kaimahi and kura, kohanga reo, puna reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Kaimahi can get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is more than 100 episodes. Just email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a Patreon link. This is still just $6 a month for anyone else who wants to join, and a big mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast simply couldn't be ad-free. Head on over to patreon.com/whakamiere to learn more about our subscriptions. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to and want to show your tautoko in another way, please consider leaving a like and a review on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference. And if you've got friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you want to get in touch with us about the podcast, or to redeem your free access as a kaimahi, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa au e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.